So I'm waiting on my partner. We're doing stick welding today. We're gonna be doing beads and dots.
Hey,
George,
I'm here ready for welding.
what are you doing?
I'm here ready for welding.
No, you're not. Not like that.
What do you mean?
You can't wear shorts. You have to wear jeans that aren't frayed. Definitely not sneakers. Those
Come on,
will
these
just
are
burn
good
right
sneakers.
through. No. Can't wear short sleeve. Your
Those
arms.
aren't cotton.
No, you're gonna get burnt. And what are those on your head?
My shades, so like when we come to welding, I'm good.
No, your eyeballs are gonna burn.
Okay.
And that'll hurt.
I'll change then quick.
Yeah, please do.
Okay.
All right, you ready to
What
do
else am I
this?
missing? What else do I need?
Oh, where's your helmet?
My helmet, my
And
gloves.
your safety glasses.
Okay, I'll grab all that. And what you want to do when you turn on, you want to make sure that you have it properly grounded. And then when you strike your weld, you're going to do it one of two ways. You can either scratch it, which is going to be something like that, or you can peck it, which is going to be something like that. Let's see if I can get it on the first strike. Okay, cover. And then when you weld, you want to keep it steady. As you weld. Now, what we did, this metal's hot, so I'm going to hold it all the way up here so you can see a bit closer, is we formed a bead, and then after this cools we can chip it off and take a look to see how well we did. But we're going to do it again, that way we have two beads to show. Cover. Okay, now we made two different beads. We're going to let that second bead cool, and I'm going to go, Katie's going to show us how we exactly chip it off then.
Clamp. So then as you can see, there's all this black slag on it. So if you take it all off, it leaves our nice clean weld underneath.